Yo, bro. You know, say me want to enter this online game where you can win $10 million just by answering one question. Brother, all you have to do is enter a competition with value $5,000 to enter. And me just do that one day if you could just lend me $5,000 so I could enter in a competition. Hold on there, brother. You sure about this? Yes, brother. I think legit, brother. Brother, watch your brother. Today me all hacking our system. Hey! I mean know which question them are ask. And the question is, what is Jamaica's national bird? Brother, easy question that. Easy winning, so me win that $10 million, brother. So just lend me money, brother. Yeah, bro, for real. Hey, me go send the money right now. Me send it. Yeah, it reach. Thanks. Because just enter right now. Yeah, enter. Yeah. I won't enter. Me just wait for them for call. See them a call, yeah? Me just put the phone on speaker.
Good day. My name is Robert. Welcome to Big Winnings. Today we'll be asking you a question, and if you get that question right, you will win $10 million. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Your question is, what is Jamaica's national bird?
Me no tell you.
What is your answer?
Sir, the answer is John Crow.
Excuse me, sir?
Me said John Crow. That big black bird where you sit up in a tree them when you have anything dead for your living. That same bird me talking.